As a mother of a son with autism,
I know how demanding and challenging each day can be.
it's a lifelong journey and not one you should have to walk alone. The good news is you don't have to. I'm Stacey Hoagland, president of the Autism Society of Florida. I've always believed that true growth and understanding comes from knowledge, and that's why I'm passionate about No Limits Global. No Limits Global is a transformative video training platform crafted with love, care, and expert knowledge. Our platform provides a comprehensive understanding of autism, dispelling myths and reinforcing facts. It's a journey of discovery for families, first responders, teachers, healthcare providers,
Anyone who interacts with people with autism.
We focus on real-life applications. It's not just about theories and statistics. It's about practical strategies that you can implement in your daily life. So here's what you get. 24/7 access to learn from top global experts on your own schedule. Reinforce your learning with our helpful worksheets and get your questions answered by our dedicated team. No Limits Global isn't just a training platform. It's a community, a support system, a beacon of hope. We're here to educate, inspire, and create a world where autistic individuals can thrive without limits.